guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking with me, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome to all of our new people. We have quite a few people that have subscribed, and I appreciate that so much. So welcome. Hope that you enjoy some of the things that we do. So today is Friday Freebie Day, and I told you yesterday that I was going to give you an extra special Friday freebie, so here we are. Everybody kind of went crazy over the ledger that I did, where you could print the pages, and then it had the covers, and it also had the spine. Now, I didn't include the spine in this because these are going to be small little journals, or little ledgers. But I did this one. This is going to be a small one. And then I did this one. This is going to be a little bit larger. And then these are the pages. Now, I printed mine on kind of an off-white cardstock because I didn't want to have to back every one of them. I may go back and do that later, but right now I don't on the video. And I didn't cut them apart because I wanted you guys to see how they looked before we cut them apart. Also, I have included in the email that will be going out in exactly 6 minutes. I've included in that email your Friday freebie, your download link, and the link that you can download the Canva template for this. So there's a drag and drop template for all of this too. So you can make all different kinds of ledgers, put in whatever you want. All you have to do is just drag your image over and drop it in wherever you want it, just like I did these. So you've also got a lot of extra things today. Now I'm going to cut these out, and I'm not going to make you suffer through that. So I'm going to cut these out, and then we'll come back and we'll start putting these little ledgers together. Now when you cut these out, I put the pages kind of close together just so that we wouldn't have to like bridge them, put some washi or something to bridge them. So I'm actually going to cut just here across the bottom and up through here and then there, and then these will just fold, and this little part that's white in the middle we'll put a little piece of either washi or lace or something like that on those little pieces. So let me get these cut out, and we'll come back and put all of this together. Okay, I have them all cut out, and I'm probably going to go through this pretty quick because we just had a storm coming up, and it is lightning and thundering, and I don't like to be around all of this equipment out here when it's lightning and thundering. Plus, my power is already flipped off and on a couple of times just since I went off. I mean, that's how quick they come up around here. And I know they do other places too. So I went ahead and cut all these out, and I did ink around the outside. I'll probably go back once I get it put together and ink around the inside. I may even add some things there. I can add some lines or whatever. But for right now, I'm not going to worry about that. I'm just going to put them together. One of them I cut a little bit off. I got to watching the storm, and it thundered real loud and the lightning flashed, and so I dropped it, and then I ended up cutting it wrong. All right, which one do we want on? I think I'm gonna put this one as my first page, and then this one in the middle. Now you can make, since I gave you the template, you can make as many of these pages as you want. I just made this many for the video, but you can definitely make as many pages as you want. And I liked inking around them because that way if you have a little bit of that you didn't cut exactly right, you're still good. Now you can staple these together, you can glue them together, or you can stitch them together on your sewing machine. I think I'm going to flip my inside one like that. You could also make extra pages and just glue these together. Glue 2 pages together if you want to. That's strictly up to you. I think on this, I'm just going to glue it. It's just 3 little pages in the front cover, so I think it will be fine. I may end up going back and stitching it later on, but you can put it together any way that you want. My glue is stuck today for some reason. It probably needs to be cleaned again, my little tip. So just put your glue right in that little score line there that you made, and then put your first page in. Just put it right down on that. Now I made these pages the exact same size, so since you have the template, you can make the pages a different size than the cover. All you have to do is just drag that template and make it a different size if you want to. I fixed it to where you can actually adjust it if you want to adjust it. Alright, there we go. And then I just run my fingers down, or my fingernails down through there to make sure that's holding good. This glue will hold it really good and fast. I don't know about other glues. This is about the one that I use for things like this and art, Barely Arts, and then my Fabri-Tac and my glue stick. I know all of those work well, so I don't worry about anything not sticking. Alright, and we're just going to run over this with our bone folder a couple of times, and there is our teeny tiny journal. And you can put a little hole through here and hang it on one of your other journals if you want. I keep calling this a journal, ledger. You can do whatever you want, or just tuck it in a little pocket, and then you can go back. Like I said, you can print on this side if you want. Just flip your paper over and print on that side. I'm not going to open that up right now because the glue is drying. Now on this one, I actually, in the template that in the freebie that I give you, I had these pages put together wrong. I had them like this. No, I had them like this, which is not right. Because if you fold that, you get that. So I went ahead and cut both of mine apart. I don't want to go back and have to redo the printout. Now the template will be, you can just drag and drop whatever you want, so you can fix yours correctly. I went ahead and inked around them, but I didn't fold them yet. Yeah, lately, and I know I've heard from others of you, lately our storms have just blown up real quick. It's like 1 minute you're outside and it's nice and sunny and, hot as the blazes. And then the next minute it's like there's storms everywhere. It's lightning and thundering. And so I guess it's just those afternoon storms. I will get this folded right in a minute. I have a little bit of an issue with folding straight. You know that. There we go. That'll work. I'm not going to worry about it if it's not perfect, because there is no perfection in my house or in my shop. And when you fold it, if you see that you've cut it a little bit off, just ink it or trim it or do whatever. Because I'm sure I cut one of mine, at least one of mine, a little bit off, because when I came down on it, I thought, it's this one. When I came down on this side, I thought, oh man, I just cut all those numbers off. So this one will probably not be exactly right, but it's going to be fine. Will be fine enough with me. So if you're new to the channel, please leave me a message below and let me know that you're new and what you're looking for in a journal, or, I do journals, I do ephemera, I do lots of different things, but let me know what you're looking for. Let me know what you subscribed to find. And don't forget, we will be giving away a $25 gift certificate to Amazon for the top contributor to the channel. And that just means, that don't mean money. Don't worry about that. That means the person that likes the video, subscribes, comments, and then shares. my app that we're building will compile all of those for every time you do that. It'll compile them all into one file, and then at the end of the month, okay, sorry, I don't know exactly where I was. Somebody just come in my door and I had to stop the video. But it will compile all of your comments, likes, all of that kind of stuff into one file, and then at the end of the month it will show me, it'll pop a name up and show me the top contributor to the channel. And like I said, that don't mean money. That just means all you have to do is like and comment. If you're already subscribed, don't worry about that, and then you can share the video. Okay, I'm just inking around the edges. I'm going to cover most of this spine part anyway, but just want to make sure if I didn't trim it straight, I don't have to worry about it. Now, let's see. Look at there. It fits perfect if you do it right. Absolutely fits perfect if you do it right. And then I turned this one like I did the other one, and that just, makes the center look like there's extra pages. But you can print on the back of these, like I said, and you can print these on the back, or some other kind of paper. Since you've got the template, it's endless, the things that you can do. So this one I'm not going to glue together. I'm probably going to stitch it on my sewing machine, but I'm not going to put it together right now. You guys have seen it, and you know how easy it is to make. Just cut your pieces out and put them together, and you've got a ledger. This can go, you can give this to a friend. You can slide it in a journal. You can give it as a little journal. And then this one is a cutie that can go down in pockets and things. So I don't think I'm going to do anything else on this. Like I said, we can decorate this if we want. I can add a different paper to it. Lots and lots of possibilities. Oh, I just heard our sirens go off here in town, so we must be having a pretty good storm coming through. So I'm probably going to go ahead and end this video. I know I didn't do very much, but I did show you the Friday freebies. And if you don't get our newsletter, the way that you get our Friday freebies is just sign up for our newsletter. I will put the store link below. You just go up to the store and it'll have a sign up at the bottom. I think it's at the bottom of the page. You can sign up for the newsletter, and then every Thursday or Friday. Sometimes I send them out on Thursdays, sometimes I send them out on Friday mornings. But every Thursday or Friday at 1 o'clock, you'll get an email that has your Friday freebie link in it, and all you have to do is just download it. But this Friday, you got extra Friday freebies. You not only got both of these, but then you also got the templates to go with it, where you can make any kind of little journal, little booklet, whatever you want out of it. That's just an extra thank you from me to you guys for all of the support that you give me, all of the love you show me, and all of the things that you do for me. That's just an added extra little item that I can give you. Can't give you money and things like that because I don't have it. But if I did, I would. But I can give you freebies and things that we make and put together. I can give you those. And sometimes I just try to give you extra. All right, guys, I'm going to get off of here. I know this is very short, but it's, it's easy. It is what it is. We will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate all of you. I appreciate all of you new guys. I appreciate all of you returning people. Don't forget to leave your comments. Hit the like button. Make sure you are subscribed. I couldn't get that word out of my mouth. And then if you don't mind, share the video, because the more things that you do, the more interaction that you have, the higher you go up on that top contributor list, whatever you want to call it. So we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.